Did you know women represent only 17% of the cybersecurity workforce?
17%? Come on, Australia, we can do better than that. Now imagine a place where you can make an impact on Australia's cybersecurity ecosystem and uplift women in security. Well, that place is the AWSN's Women in Security Mentoring Network, ready to connect you with your perfect mentee, powered by AI. Cool, right? Simply create your profile and our innovative tech does its magic, seamlessly matching you with mentees based on culture, values, skills, you name it. Then it's up to you to design your mentoring journey. The best part? Each mentorship is unique. Help someone build confidence in the workplace, develop public speaking skills, or simply share your career journey and break down barriers for women in security. You can even update your profile's goals as your priorities evolve to explore new match opportunities. So join us, and together we can connect, support, and inspire women in security all across Australia.